If you are an Amazon seller or thinking about starting your Amazon business, you know that finding the right product is one of the most critical steps. Picking the wrong product can waste your time, money, and effort. That's where the Smart Scout comes in. But what exactly is Smart Scout, and why are so many Amazon entrepreneurs using it to find the winning product? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will understand how Smart Scout works, what makes it special, and how you can get started with a free trial to test it yourself. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to make a smarter decision faster. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link in the description for free trial and special offer. Now let's get started. So SmartScout is an Amazon product search tools designed to help sellers to identify profitable product and niches quickly and accurately. Think of it like having a personal data analyst for Amazon. It pulls millions of listing, sales data and trends and then presents you with insight that make product research faster and easier. Now, who is it for? SmartScout is perfect for Amazon sellers of all level, whether you are just starting out or you are just an experienced seller looking to expand your portfolio with high demand and low competition items. If your business depends on selling on the right product at the right time, SmartScout can save you countless hours of guesswork. Inside SmartScout, you get the access to detailed product research, including historical sales data, estimated revenue, pricing trend, and competition analysis. A powerful tool is that the profit calculator or the FBA calculator, which can help you to estimate potential margin, taking into account Amazon fees, shipping, and another cost. Now let's talk about the pricing. SmartScout offers different subscription plans depending on the features you need and the number of product research you plan to do. Now it's designed to be accessible for beginners while still providing the advanced data and analytics for serious seller. The paid plan start at around $29 per month. The only downside is some advanced features are only available in the higher plan, and if you are selling in highly saturated niche, data alone cannot guarantee success. You will still need a solid marketing strategy. So, is Smart Scout worth it for Amazon sellers? Absolutely. Whether you are a beginner trying to find your first winning product or a seasoned seller looking to scale your business, Smart Scout makes product research faster and easier and also more precise. So this was the video about the Smart Scout. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel for more tool reviews, tips and smart strategies for growing your online business. And I will see you in the next video.